Mama Wiggles Fun with Tab presents Sounds of G, Hard and Soft, starring Minnie and Minnie.
Hi, Benny.
Hi, Lenny. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. I wonder what Mama Wiggles going to talk about today.
Yeah.
Honey.
We love you.
Oh, we love you today. So today, we gonna do the hard G sound and the soft G sound. Do y'all remember what we went over yesterday about the different sounds?
The hard G sounds like G as G.
You got it.
And the soft G sounds like J.
It sure does. It sure does. So I'm gonna give y'all an assignment, okay?
Okay.
Lenny, you gonna do the hard G sound. You gonna give me 5 words with the hard G sound.
Yeah.
And Benny, you gonna give me 5 words with the soft G sound, okay? Okay? Y'all ready to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But right now,
Mama Wiggles, this is the principal talking. I need to see you in my office.
okay, fellas.
Oh, Mama Wiggles in trouble.
I'm not in trouble. I got to go see what the principal wants. I'll be back in 5 minutes, so y'all have y'all words to go together, okay?
All right.
Soft G, and I got the hard G.
Yeah, I got the soft G. Ooh, I like that beat. I like that beat, lady.
Yeah, Benny, I like that beat too.
Hard G sounds like G. Good, 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 good. Say these words with the hard G. Say these words with me. Great. Good. Green. Gum. Your turn.
Soft G sounds like J. J, 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 J. Say these words with soft G. Say these words with me. Giraffe. Giant. Angel. Cage. Bridge.
Yeah, that was fun. Wasn't that fun? Yeah, it was fun. Oh,
All right, fellas. Yeah, what y'all doing in here? I hear that music.
yeah, we getting down, Mama
I
Wiggles.
forgot I was in school. So y'all did your words. I heard y'all in the office. That sounded wonderful.
That was fun. We like that.
Lenny and Benny, y'all both get A's today.
Yeah.
Y'all get A's. Thank y'all so much. Miss Victoria from Harper Woods. Thank you, young lady. Thank you. I
Yeah,
appreciate you.
Victoria, we love you, Victoria.
And don't forget, y'all, to check out Fun with Tab,
That's
where
right.
learning can be
Meaningful.